oven. I wait, it's very quick. And then I take it out, I put it there, and I put it in anyone's plate. So let's start. Let's wait. 10 seconds. I'm gonna put the cheese on the potatoes. That's a raclette. Raclette.
Look at that, it's so yummy.
Job done. So maybe we can now say hello to the cows because it's a farm. So let's go and say hello to the cows. So we have a plate of cheese. Let me show you what it is. Here you've got Top de Savoie. This is Abondance cheese. And this is Reblochon. You use Reblochon for tartiflette. But it's good to eat like this too. So let's do it. This is the dessert. We're currently having local ice cream. So we're having fleur de lait, which is basically translate like milk flour, and blackcurrant ice cream.